Ruben? You quit? Golf fight.
I thought a nanny tonight. I was trying to be a nanny. I thought we were gonna go, you know, do that grown-up stuff. But I guess I have to deal with the children. It's okay. I love my nephews and nieces.
Look at her. She's so happy.
Oh yes, say hi.
Where's Lilo? Where's Lilo? Maya, are you going? Go, Jarrell. Say hi, guys. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Tired?
Yeah.
You're an elephant.